If you are looking for the best door locks, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Kwikset Geno Keyed Entry Door Knob. A door lock should keep your home safe and secure while providing easy access for you and your invited guests. The Kwikset 991 Geno is a no-nonsense lock with the highest grade of residential lock security, Inside Grade 1, and a simple way to recce the locks for security reasons or convenience. This combo set includes both the entry door knob and a single cylinder deadbolt. The Kwikset Geno is a top seller and available in multiple finishes, including satin nickel, antique and polished brass, and bronze to match your home's existing hardware. It features Kwikset's popular smart key system that allows you to quickly and easily recce the locks at any time. This is especially useful for rental properties if you tend to lose your keys or if you want to sell at the locks in your home or to use the smart key. This lock also features mechanisms designed to resist lock bumping, along with extra long and sturdy kickplate screws that gives users peace of mind that the door won't be easily kicked in. Reviewers constantly comment on the easy installation of this door lock set and the quality fit and finish it provides. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Shellac Z-Wave Camelot Deadbolt. A touchscreen door lock is a great option if you're looking for a keyless door lock that won't show wear. Unlike conventional push buttons, the Shellac Content touchscreen door lock has a fingerprint-resistant screen that is specifically designed to resist wear patterns. Adding to its security features is the fact that this door lock is Grade 1 certified by the NSI. This door lock utilizes Z-Wave technology to connect the device to popular smart home systems, including SmartThings and Ring. It also integrates with Amazon Alexa as long as you have it connected to a compatible smart home hub. With its connectivity, you can remotely lock or unlock the door, see a log of activity and other features depending on the smart home system you are using. Of course, this lock works really well to just grant keyless entry. People with rental properties or frequent visitors appreciate being able to use up to 30 unique codes to control access with this door lock. The number 3 position is held by Addalock, the original portable door lock. The Addalock travel door lock is an easy way to instantly add to the security of any door lock. This portable door lock is a small, slim device that travels easily in your backpack, purse, or suitcase and can be installed in many different types of doors. Constructed of a stainless steel plate, the Addalock is installed from the inside of the door and prevents even a key from unlocking the door. However, it's important that you follow the manufacturer's direction for use and perform a fit test to make sure the Addalock won't get stuck and cause complications. This portable door lock has been widely used by travelers, apartment dwellers, and anyone else who feels concerned about that someone with a key might gain unauthorized access through a locked door. It truly is an easy way to increase your peace of mind. Next at number 4, we have Shellac Camelot Keypad Entry with Flex Lock. Ditch your keys and keep things simple with a top-selling keyless door lock like the Shellac Camelot Keypad Entry with Flex Lock. The exterior level handle is paired with a push-button keypad that allows you to program unique entry codes and gain access sans key, while the interior handle features a thumb turn to secure the door from the inside. The myriad of positive reviews for the Shellac Camelot mention the simplest installation and the function of the Flex Lock. Unlike the auto-locking version of this keypad, the Flex Lock allows you to leave the door unlocked if you're frequently going in and out, like bringing groceries in from the garage or doing chores in the yard. The lock comes pre-programmed with 2 unique codes, so the initial setup is simple. If you want to add additional codes, it's easy to do simple with the added including programmed code. One of the most common complaints about keyless door locks relates to the battery life. One advantage of this model is the fact that the 9-volt battery is housed on the interior side of the door lock, keeping it out of extreme temperatures that can drain battery life. However, if your battery life seems limited, It may be that the lock cylinder is having trouble making it a smooth transition to the lock position. This activates a power locking mode that drains battery life quicker. You should also note that this lock doesn't include a deadbolt. You can use a conveniently keyed deadbolt for extra security if necessary. The number 5 position is held by Kwikset Bellevue Handle Set. Make a good first impression with an elegant and stylish front door lock like the Kwikset Bellevue Handle Set. This includes an arced handle and a deadbolt for exterior access, paired with a simple interior doorknob and a deadbolt thumb turn. You will also receive all the screws and plates necessary for install, which users say is easy to accomplish. This is a grade D Enzai residential lock, which isn't the highest grade of security but still offers peace of mind as a rated lock set. You can easily vacate the lock using Kwikset's smart key mechanism, keeping in mind that this is a deadbolt only door lock. The handle doesn't feature a locking mechanism, so you'll need to use your key to lock the deadbolt each time you exit the house. However, this is a stylish and updated front door lock that reviewers consistently praise for its value and sturdy construction. The number 6 position is dominated by Kwikset 660 single cylinder deadbolt. A deadbolt is a common way to secure exterior doors, and the Kwikset 660 deadbolt is a long-standing option with a reputation for simple installation and operation. As a single-cylinder deadbolt, it only accepts a key from the exterior side of the lock, while a thumb turn controls the lock from the interior. This is a no-nonsense deadbolt that's available in multiple finishes to match your existing hardware. It features an Enzai Grade 3 security rating. Pairing it with the locking door handle is an option for increasing home security further. The biggest advantage of the Kwikset 660 door lock is the fact that it features smart key technology. So if you already have an existing door lock, you can key the Kwikset 660 to match in a matter of moments. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Kwikset PowerBolt 2 keyless entry deadbolt. Don't worry about fumbling for your keys to unlock this keyless entry deadbolt from a Kwikset. The PowerBolt 2 features a 6-button keypad that can be programmed with up to a half-dozen unique user codes. A one-touch lock button makes it equally easy to secure the door lock as you're headed out. The PowerBolt 2 is an smart door lock, meaning it doesn't need to be connected to any smart home systems or hubs for operation. It operates on the power of 4 AA batteries, and battery life doesn't seem to be a common complaint by reviewers. This door lock is Enzai Grade 3 certified. It also features an art lock feature, which gets mixed reviews but can be customized during setup. Some people prefer this function off. Overall, the Kwikset PowerBolt 2 is a good value for a keyless deadbolt. The number 8 position is held by Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. If you're looking for the smartest door lock on the block, check out the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. This model sets itself apart with the ability to connect directly to your home's Wi-Fi and works with popular smart home systems like Amazon, Alexa, and Google Home. Paired with the doorknob or handset of your choice, the Schlage Encode Smart Deadbolt is the smartest way to secure your front door and boosts an Enzai Grade 1 rating. You can program up to 100 unique codes using the digital keypad. Even better is the fact that you can remotely lock or unlock the door using the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app and see a log of activity and receive push notifications to your smart device. Reviewers appreciate using the virtual unlocking features of the Schlage Encode to receive important packages or grant access to pet sitters, house guests, and no more. The most unique features of the Schlage Encode is that it skips the hassle of connecting to a smart home hub. Instead, this simple and smart door lock pairs directly with your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for a quick and seamless setup. Next at number 9, we have Amazon Basics Exterior Knob with Lock and Deadbolt. Basic home security doesn't have to break the bank with a budget door lock. Like the Amazon Basics Entry Knob with Lock and Deadbolt, this simple set provides the essentials when it comes to keeping your home safe and secure. The Amazon Basics set includes 2 sets of door handles and lock. This means you can install matching brand new locking door knobs and deadbolts on both your front door and garage door or any other exterior or interior door that needs to be secured. While this set doesn't have the premium feel of some pricier door locks, and it lacks anti-residential security rating, the overall option of this set of doors lock is high. Available in 5 finishes, the Amazon Basics entry knob lock with lock and deadbolt is affordable and easy to install. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Medaka Maxim M3. The Maxim M3 is the next generation of lock security. Its solid, hardened steel casing and insets make it drill-proof and impervious to attacks from crowbars and other common tools. In fact, it is to have 22 points of contact in just the right place to open. This makes it harder to pick, but it also makes the unique Medeco keys difficult to duplicate, since vacuum machines don't cut the kinds of angles a Medeco key requires. Medeco locks are deadbolt only, so you will have to find a matching doorknob lock, but the deadbolts comes in more than a dozen finishes, so you can find just the right match. Medeco is by far the priciest door lock on our list, but it's top quality and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Medeco locks are deadbolt only, so you will have to find a matching doorknob lock, but the deadbolt come in more than a dozen finishes, so you can find just the right match. Medeco is by far the priciest door lock on our list, but it's top quality and it comes with a 2-year warranty. That's all for today. We upload tech product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.